Baby doll.
Baby doll. Whoa.
Welcome to our ATV adventure. If you want to add adrenaline to your itinerary, this would be a good way to go. What's up, guys? If this is your first time here, I produce all of the music and content for this channel. So if you like what you see, you know what to do.
You take one of these, and the one that's apart goes in one.
Which one's the fastest one?
The fastest one is the green one, but it's not on tour today.
Oh, bummer.
It's broken. I'm sorry guys. Once we don't stay behind.
If we put the towel here, we'll fly
You
away?
can do it. No, it won't fly.
Good.
Well, you
I use my seatbelt.
look in the back.
Looking at it now, it looks like there's people there already. We're told to leave our personal belongings by the black rocks and then make our way over there. So that view though, phenomenal.
Here you go.
Remember Rambo Flanegin from day 2 of our vlog?
This is a nice one. You can smell that one.
Alright, I'm gonna put you on my vlog.
Here we go, bro.
This is my man Rambo, great tour guide. Tell people where they can find you.
They find me here in the national park for Rambo or whatever on the island. When you get to the island, they say, do you guys see Rambo Flanegin? You will find me, man. I'm the only one here, brother. God bless you, brother.
Good man.
Here we go.
You're coming out to Aruba. Hit this guy up. He'll take care of you. Guerrero's biggest challenge yet. Look at the steep hill. Let's see how she does. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. She's doing it. She's doing it. I like her odds. Our chances are good. There's another one coming up. Melissa Guerrero. taking the turns. There it is. There it is. Oh, oh, she's got it. She's got it. Judge is ruling. Judge is ruling. Well, what do you think? Yeah. Oh, one more, one more. All odds are against us. So far, onward, onward. Cut that thing, man.
Yeah, man. Go like this, you gotta be there. Coconut water.
If you had an awesome time, you had such a tremendous time, why don't you raise that bar? Thank you.
Thank you, David.